we have seen the remarks of Prime Minister of Nepal concerning India-Nepal boundary, as well as the subsequent statement made by the Nepali Foreign Office on this matter. While close to 98% of India-Nepal boundary has been demarcated, there are some unresolved segments. The shifting of the course of Gandak River has resulted in this situation. In addition, there are cases of cross-border occupation and encroachment of no man's land in demarcated segments of the boundary, which are currently being mapped jointly. We have established bilateral mechanisms to deal with all aspects of boundary matters. It should be clear to all concerned that there is no role for any third parties in a bilateral matter between India and Nepal. लोगों के बीच में, साथ में दोनों तरफ के राजनीतिक दलों के बीच में भी रिश्ते हैं और ये कॉन्टैक्ट्स दोनों लगातार चलते रह रहे हैं। उनका आगमन हुआ है भारत में, कई एक लोगों से उनकी मुलाकात हो रही है और कई एक हाई लेवल उच्च स्तरीय उनकी मुलाकात भी हो रही है।